In this assignment, we made use of the Oracle sample database from oracletutorial.com. The sample database has 12 different tables, and we made these tables into a data warehouse using the Star Schema. So from this database, we have defined our own Star Schema with 4 different dimensions and 1 fact table. We have a customer dimension, date dimension, employee dimension, product dimension, and a sales fact table. Using the Star Schema that I have defined in our data warehouse, I have made 3 different queries, and I have made this extra effort to connect my Oracle SQL command line with the Power BI from Microsoft to visualize my data. So today I would like to present my visualization data because Power BI Microsoft only supports premium users if I would like to embed this interactive visualization online. So I can't really show the interactive data to my tutor without the premium account. Therefore, this video is to show the interactive data visualization that I have made. First of all, for query 1, I have found out the 10 most profitable customers for year 2015. And from here you can see it is actually a donut graph going clockwise. This is top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4 customers, Discover Financial Service, Advanced Auto Parts, Hertz Globals, and so on and so forth. From here, you can see the first most profitable customers have contributed 217K, which is 10% of the total profit contribution. Next, I have also made visualization to show the quarterly report of these 10 most profitable customers. Bear in mind that this data is for year 2015. For quarter 1, I have showed the sales profit and orders quantity. The bar here refers to sales profit and the line refers to quantity. From here you can see, even though Walmart has the least order quantities, which is 53, but it has quite a significant contribution to the sales profit. So what is interesting about Power BI is you can click onto Walmart and you can see its contribution in the next quarter. And from here you can see its sales has improved from 79K to 112K the following quarter. Moving on, we have quarter 3 and quarter 4, which shows Walmart right here 124K and it reduced to 86K. So this is a quarterly report of our top 10 customers based on its order quantity and profit for the year 2015. Moving on to the second query, I have made a monthly report on the top employees based on their sales and job title for March 2018. In this data warehouse, I have defined 4 different job titles: sales managers, sales associates, IT support specialists, and interns. So based on this job title, I have identified the top employees within this department or job title. From sales manager, we can see that Aaron has contributed 21% of the sales generated from sales managers, and from sales associate, Alice Washington has the least sales generated for sales associate, which is top 5 in sales associate. Next, I have a line and bar graph showing the monthly revenue comparison in 2018 for the month February and March. So the report just now is based on March. You can see these people are the top employees within their own job titles, and the next graph will show you the comparison to the previous month in February based on the revenue or sales. So in intern, you can see employee ID 14 has this much of revenue, 225k, and it has 194k in the previous month. So this employee actually increased from 194k to 225k. And the highest sales generated is from a sales associate employee ID 73, 316k during March, but for the previous month in February, this person only managed to generate 123k. So based on this graph, you can see all of the employees have improved in terms of their money revenue. None of them actually has a decrease in their sales performance. So you can see this has different colors because I have set a threshold at 273k. So any revenue that is lower or equals to this number will have blue color bar chart, and any revenue that is higher than this threshold will have a purple bar chart. This is to show that the blue ones are lower in comparison to the higher purple revenue. Moving on to the last query, query number 3, I have made a report on the annual revenue of different product categories. So in this data warehouse, we have 4 different categories: CPU, video card, storage, and motherboard. And this report is made for 2015 in comparison to the previous year, 2014. From here, you can see CPU has 94 million revenue in 2015, but in 2014, it only has 70 million revenue. As for motherboard, which is the lowest revenue, it has 23 million in 2015, but 17 million in 2014. So you can see that in each category, there is improvement from year 2014 to 2015. Next, I have also created a visualization based on different quarters in year 2015. Quarter 1, Quarter 2, Quarter 3, and Quarter 4. From here, you can see that motherboard actually performed averagely, and most of them are the same. So it is very even out. All products categories has the same revenue throughout the year. Not much difference. This is 23 million and this is 24 million. So difference by a million from quarter 2 to quarter 4 for CPU product category. Thank you for your attention about my explanation on data visualization. This video is made purposely for my assignment because I could not deploy the interactive dashboard to a website without having a premium account. So with that, I would like to end this video by showing you my resume. I am Sammy Charlie, a final year data science student in Thai UMT KL. I am looking for internship opportunities towards the end of the year. You can find me on LinkedIn using Sammy Charlie, or you can find me through this email. Thank you.